All right, so we'll describe the three types of plate boundaries on Earth in our notes. So in your table, which you've either recorded in your own notebook or you have downloaded into Notability, the first type of boundary that we're going to talk about is when the tectonic plates move away from each other. We call this kind of boundary a divergent boundary. Plates diverge or move away from each other. So that's the type of boundary. Over where it says model, this is where we're going to draw a picture. In this case, we have two different types of divergent plate boundaries. One is when two continental plates move away from each other. Continental plates, if we recall, are actually thicker, but they're also less dense. And so when two continental plates are moving away from each other, they create this valley here. And what fills this valley is magma from below in the mantle. It comes up, fills in that valley. Also, what fills in that valley is water. And so as two continental plates move apart, you get what is called a rift valley. And we can add that to our features as well, rift valley. As these two continental plates move further apart, that rift valley becomes larger. And water fills that in, and you actually have a new ocean that is born. This is how oceans are created. And you still have that magma coming up, but now it's coming up here in the middle of the ocean. And so, actually, these are oceanic plates, so we'll label that with O and O, and they're moving apart. And so this is magma coming up here. And what you get in the middle of the ocean when two plates are diverging is a mid-ocean ridge. We can add that over here. Mid-ocean ridge. And that's just a sort of range of mountains or ridges in the middle of the ocean where the magma is rising. Something to note about this is as you move further away from this mid-ocean ridge, the crust is older. That is because that crust is like a conveyor belt moving away from this mid-ocean ridge where the newest crust is being born. The oldest crust is way over here by the edge of the ocean.